Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher Sarfawad Ansari, and today I will demonstrate the program for the linear search using 1D array in VB.NET console mode. So as you can see it here that our elements of an array are mentioned here. So you can see that these are the elements of an array, and we have to search by inputting an element of an array. So we have to choose any random number from these elements, and now we have to input it. So the logic is pretty simple, that we input the element and our program will perform the linear searching using 1D array. So let's suppose I input 6. So when I press enter button, it will start searching the indexes to find the proper to find the input element. So let's see how does it work. Now it is searching for the element, and it searched like index. At index 0 we have got 10, at index 1 we have got 25, and at index 2 we have got 6, and 6 is the number, or 6 is the element that we input earlier. So it is found now. Also a message popped out that element 6 found at index position 2. So as you can see it here, our searching is stopped at the index 2 because it found our element in the index. So when it finds the element, it stopped searching. It did not continue the searching 3 position or 4th position of the index or 5th position of the index, because it found our index at the certain it found the element at the certain index position. So it did not go further for the searching. So that is how our linear search works, that it stops searching when it finds the element. Now let's try to do another demonstration. Now this time I input, let's suppose, 8. So now our 8 is a element in our array. Now let's start searching. Now it stopped searching at index position 4 because it found the element 8 which we input earlier. So it stopped searching. It did not go further for the index position 5, index position 6, and so on, because it found the element of an array. So it did not need to search furthermore. This is a pretty simple logic. So this is how our linear search works. Same program I made in the Python. So let's see how does it work another time. Now I use the Python program using the same logic. So let's suppose I input 42 element. Now let's search 42. It is now searching for the index. Now it found the 42 at the index position 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 42 is found at the index position 3. So the same program can be made using the Python. The purpose of the demonstration using both programming languages VB.NET and Python is to clear the concept for the students that there's no difference in using the Python or the VB.NET. You may make the program using the same logic in any other language. The same program can be made in Java or any other programming language that is suitable according to your syllabus. So I hope you understood by the demonstration, and inshallah we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Allah.